Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the surface on the Komoot application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the routes icon next to the home button at the lower bar on the page, and here click to the filters button at the upper side of the screen. Go to the surface section, and here you can find three options: the no preference, the road or paved, and the off-road. And just select one, for example the second, the road or paved, and click to the next white circle. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.